Let's do a Boeing electrical engineering internship interview question on voltage learning. Right, here we are on voltage learning, and let's scroll all the way down to the Boeing interview questions. Let's click on question number 1 here and take a look at the prompt. Pause the video here if you want to take a bit of a closer look at it. Alright, so here's how I try to approach this. First, I try to correlate the tone with system activity using a spectrum analyzer or FFT on the audio output. If the tone lines up with wireless bursts or CPU activity, that immediately points to a likely aggressor. Next, I'd isolate blocks by selectively disabling things like the radio or stressing the CPU independently. That helps confirm which subsystem is injecting the noise. Then, I'd probe power rails and ground with a scope to check for conducted noise coupling into the audio path. I'd also use a near-field probe to look for radiated coupling around sensitive traces. Since it's sensitive to cable routing and grounding, I'd experiment there to validate the coupling path. Finally, the fix depends on the mechanism. If it's conducted, I'd add filtering or improve decoupling. If it's radiated, I'd look at shielding and layout. And if it's timing related, I'd consider firmware scheduling to separate noisy events. And that's pretty much it. Let's check our answer and see your grade. Awesome, 90%. That's exactly what you need to start your career with Boeing.